Battles. Very few people bet on the underdog, but if you would have, you would have won big, and that happened to be us. We bet on ourselves as underdogs. I sold my Rolex chain, my Alpinas, and bought studio equipment, and it was the best decision I made. I shut down my spot. I was hustling, and I stopped hustling and went broke for a time. Start getting treated.
አስቸጋሪ ነገር ነው። ስንቱን ትናገረዋለህ እንጂ ወይ አንድ ጥያቄ ጠይቀኝ።